Transform your performance management with AI training to craft precise, impactful goals and result areas. In today's fast-paced workplace, leveraging artificial intelligence to define result areas and set goals is a game changer for HR professionals. Here's how you can get started. Define role clarity with AI-driven result areas. Let's take a closer look at how this works for our marketing manager, Fiona Galler. Click on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to Result Areas and select Use AI for Fiona's result areas. This is where the magic happens. AI will instantly suggest 5 result areas based on Fiona's job title. You can select one or more of these areas and add specific responsibilities. For example, respond to direct messages and inquiries across social media platforms within 1 business day. Once you click on Continue, the AI generates a refined list of result areas with 2 measurable performance indicators for each set. Review, edit, or remove any performance indicators before saving final results. Create smarter goals instantly with AI. Now let's focus on setting smarter goals. Head to the Person section. Click the Goals icon and tap on Use AI for Fiona's goals. Enter a custom objective like enhance brand visibility and follower engagement through a stronger social media presence and content marketing strategy. After confirming, the AI will instantly generate 5 tailored SMART goals based on Fiona's past performance evaluations and your specified objective. Modify or delete goals as required and save the configuration. Create strategic OKRs powered by AI. Next, let's move to the Goals and OKRs section. Select Organizational Goals and click Add New Organizational Goal. For example, enter an objective like deliver an exceptional product experience that drives growth and customer satisfaction. Set the objective type, due date, evaluation frequency, and add a custom description to elaborate on your vision. By selecting Use AI to generate key results, the AI will automatically generate 5 key results aligned with your business type and objective. Assign evaluators and due dates to the key results. And save the OKR. Completing performance reviews has never been easier. Navigate to the Waiting Evaluation section and click Start Evaluation. Select your answers, add notes or attachments as needed, and click Finish Evaluation to wrap it up. You can even sign off on the evaluations for authenticity. And send the feedback to the employee for their signature via email. Empower your organization with AI-driven goals and result areas that drive clarity, alignment, and turn strategy into measurable outcomes.